Millions of American families bring home a live Christmas tree every year, and they know the challenges that can make the Christmas tree experience difficult and messy. Bringing a live tree in and out of your car and home can be damaging, leaving scratches, sap, and trails of endless needles that can stick in your flooring and doorways for months. Isn't it time someone came up with an easier solution? Introducing the Christmas Tree Bagger. Made of a 4-way stretch, durable, and reusable fabric that will help bag up your Christmas tree to easily transport it in and out of your home and vehicle without the mess. So a few years ago, we decided to use my invention, the Bridal Buddy, to get the tree in and out of the house with ease. We figured if it worked for a bridal gown, why not a Christmas tree?
Here's how it works. Place the Christmas tree bagger like a donut on the ground. Put the tree trunk in the middle as you stand it up. Secure the lower drawstring completely closed to the trunk of the tree so it doesn't move or slide up. Pull the tree bagger up on each side and slide it all the way as far as it will go. Pull the drawstring and toggle closed. Next, secure it inside or on top of your vehicle. Bring the tree into your home and place directly on the tree stand. Next, unbag your tree. You can leave the tree bagger on the tree stand as a tree skirt. It can also hide easily under your existing tree skirt.
The Christmas Tree Bagger will give you more time with your family and less time cleaning up hundreds of pine needles in your home and vehicle. Bringing home and disposing of your live Christmas tree has become much easier with a lot less mess and stress thanks to the Christmas Tree Bagger. The Christmas Tree Bagger really works. It'll help protect your home and your car. We want to help make your Christmas tree experience much more enjoyable and easier this year and many years to come. Thank you.
Thank you.